Hey guys, today I'll show you how to easily add a shortcut of your favorite contact to the home screen on your Android device. So let's get started. So firstly, let's start from the home screen. Just tap and hold an empty space on the home screen and open the Widgets tab. And here find the Contacts app. And here in the favorite contacts, you can select either a contact or a direct dial, and even the direct message. Then tap Add and choose any contact that you need to add on your home screen. And now you know how to add your favorite contact to the home screen. So if you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.